Welcome to Oeiras House, a masterpiece by OODA that transforms the constraints of its sloping terrain into architectural poetry. Designed to harmonize artificial and natural elements, this home embraces its environment through a regulating patio, offering both structure and openness. A balance of mass and levitation, it redefines space with rational geometry and dynamic spatial flow. Oeiras House seamlessly integrates into the terrain, using the slope not as a limitation but as an opportunity. The architecture carves into the earth, creating a half-buried entrance patio enriched by a reflective water feature. This void becomes a light-filled core, guiding movement while blurring boundaries between the home's solid presence and the organic landscape. At the center, a patio acts as the home's regulating force, uniting private and social spaces. A transparent transition bridges these zones, dissolving physical separations. The architecture feels weightless, allowing the land to breathe through open pathways. Here, natural continuity and built form coexist, enhancing both the home's intimacy and its openness to the surroundings. Beyond its sculptural appeal, the house offers layered experiences through its dynamic roof. The sloped surface transforms into an accessible space, extending the home's usability and redefining horizontality. Cross-sectional movements and shifting transparencies animate the structure, creating an ever-changing play of light and shadow, where the home continuously adapts to its environment. Oeiras House is more than architecture. It's a dialogue between form and landscape, permanence and transformation. By embracing its topography, it crafts a living space that is both grounded and floating, structured yet fluid. In this masterpiece, stability meets adaptability, proving that architecture can shape, enhance, and redefine the very nature of a place.